Healthy Forever presents Best Ways to Prevent Premature Skin Aging. To prevent premature skin aging, we should protect our skin against the harmful rays of the sun by using a combination of protective measures. Sadly, a lot of damage is done to our skin if it is not protected in the first 20 years of our lives, so protecting children is extremely important. If you like videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily tips. Premature skin aging. If you have spent a lot of time in the sun without protection, by the time you are 25, the early signs of premature aging will become noticeable. Fine lines appear on the face first, skin tone becomes dull, pores become enlarged due to poor hydration, skin loses volume, and pigmentation in the form of freckles and brown spots occur. If you stay out of the sun and consult a dermatologist, you can still be helped at this stage. Skin protection starting early is the best preventative factor in premature skin aging. Protect your skin. Step 1. Depending on your skin type, you will require varying protective measures when going to the beach or pool. If you are a blonde or redhead, cover up. Step 2. Use a broad-spectrum water-resistant sunscreen, SPF 50, in the middle of summer. Put it on before you go to the beach. Don't stay at the beach past 1100 hours, as the sun is too hot in the middle of the day. Step 3. Wear a hat that covers your face and ears. Step 4. When you get to the beach, seek some shade and drink some water to stay hydrated. Step 5. Wear sunglasses to protect your eyes. Ultraviolet radiation causes damage to our skin, leading to premature aging and skin cancer. It is also the best source of vitamin D, so it is good to get outdoors with the right protection. If the UV levels are 3 or higher, we need to use sun protection. In hot climates in summer, we are reminded to stay indoors between 1100 and 1500 hours or 11 to 3 when the day is hot and UV levels are sometimes 11 plus. When you take children to the beach, it is better for them to wear a UV protective top or surf rash made from spandex with sun protection properties. They don't need to take it off until they get home, as it dries off fast when they get out of the water. The rashie is now made for all members of the family and is considered a surf fashion item. Avoid premature skin aging. There is so much that we can do to avoid premature aging of the skin. And people with light skin have less melanin than those with dark skin. So after a few years of sun exposure, people with light skin start to show symptoms of premature skin aging, and the skin becomes dry and loses its elasticity. 30 years ago, a tan was thought to be healthy. And back in the 1980s, we even put babies outside to get sun exposure. We now know that it is damaging and can lead to skin cancer later in life. Conclusion: protect your skin from sun exposure by taking precautions. If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, comment below, and let us know what you think. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss our new videos. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.